Hey everyone, and welcome to Shopespot's video tutorial. Today we'll be looking at the marketing tab, but more especially contacts. The first thing you want to do is log into your Shopespot dashboard, and once you're logged in, you head over to marketing, and then we go into contacts. So if you want, you'll be able to view all contacts just by clicking or selecting that, and whatever contacts you've got will be listed out here for you. Now, contacts are really cool when you're, especially when you're doing your email marketing, because you can email to all of the members and customers that you've got, or if you've got contacts by leads that were generated, or if you've got your existing customer database and you want to upload their contacts and everything, you are able to do that and then run email marketing campaigns from the Shopify platform directly to those members or contacts. So let's just say you viewed all contacts, and as you can see, because we are on the demo platform of Shopify, we don't have any contacts listed here. So let's head on and add a contact. I'll show you just how easy that is. You'll click on the add contact, and then you'll put in all of the details. Um, First name, the last name, the email address, the country. You choose a particular province and the city. And once you've got all of that done, you'll go in, make sure that contact is active, click on submit, and that's basically it. The contact's now been added. So now if we go to contacts and view all contacts, we will be able to see the contact that's there. So the question is, what if you have a whole lot of contacts that you want to go and upload? Well, as with anything on Shopespot, you are able to upload those contacts by uploading a CSV file. And when it comes to uploading anything on Shopespot with via any upload file, you'll always find on the right hand side of that a little hyperlink that'll say sample file. So once you click on that, it'll actually download the sample contacts for you. And once it opens up, as you can see, here's the format in which your CSV file would be, and you'll obviously just separate that from text to columns, and you can see we've got an example of what that data should be here. Right? So once you have that CSV populated with all of your contacts, wherever it is stored on your computer or on any virtual drive that you have access to from your machine, you'll click on this, select the proper file, click on submit. That will upload all of the contacts via CSV, and then you'll be able to see it here. What you can also do with contacts is you can create contact lists. So this is also a really cool feature, so that when you are marketing to contacts, it'll make it that much easier for you to segment those contacts, put them into lists, and schedule your marketing campaigns or run them manually against specific lists. To add a list is pretty straightforward. You'll click on add list. Once you've clicked on add list, you'll give your list a title, click on submit, and then that will create the contact list for you. So let's just do that, just to give you an idea what that's going to look like. As you can see, absolutely easy. And if you want to view the contact list, you now are able to do so. So once your list is here, you can deactivate this list or make it inactive at any point by clicking on the little green dot. Once that dot is red, you know that the list is inactive. And as you improve or progress with the number of lists that you've got, you'll very quickly be able to see what's active and what's not active. But anytime you need to edit the list, you'll just click on the edit function, and that will allow you to make the necessary changes that you need to that particular list. So I'm not going to make any changes to this now because we're pretty happy with that. What we're going to do is head up back to viewing all those contact lists. And what we're going to look at next is how you can view the contacts in those lists. So if you click on this, and if you have contacts allocated as part of that list, this is where you'll be able to see it. And again, if you want to upload bulk contacts as opposed to adding individual contacts on, you'll click on the upload, populate the CSV file where you'll see the sample, and it's easy as that, and those contacts will get listed under that particular contact list. At any time, if you want to edit all of that, you'll be able to use any one of the buttons that you see here, and that will allow you to do that. If you've got contact segments that sit within that list, you can actually view those segments that you would have created as part of that list. If you don't have any segments, all you'll do is click on add segment, and then you'll be able to go directly in, give that a title, and choose whether you want to create a segment based on a particular list, and then you'll go and fill in the condition. So if you want to add a condition to say, these are the rules that I want to use to segment that, and you could use the first name, last name, all of the fields that are in here, and you'll look at whether what is the attributes that you want, what's the logic you want to apply to those particular lists, put in your value, and add that condition. And then you can add multiple conditions. What you will end up with is quite a few conditions that will be applied to the contacts that you've got in order to be able to arrive at that particular segment. And based on the criteria, ShoppingSpot will do all of the magic for you, and you will arrive at your ideally segmented contact list that sits within a set contact list that you've created. And this is where you can view all of the segments that you've created, and it will show you each and every single segment that you've got here. It makes it that much easier to do targeted marketing to existing customers, to existing contacts, to potential customers, potential contacts, and get your brand and get your exposure out there, and also to drive traffic and drive revenue. So yet again, ShoppingSpot making marketing for your business absolutely easy, absolutely straightforward, and there's literally no better or simpler way to do it other than how ShoppingSpot has put the UI together for this, together with all the AI that happens in the background. So thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and especially subscribe so that you get all the latest updates, all the latest handy hints and tips on how to make the most of your online business using the ShoppingSpot platform. Thanks again, everyone, and have a great day.